A great digital experience should be timely, relevant, personalized, and as we call it at Flybits, contextualized. When you look at the consumer sector, you see that digital channels are actually becoming like that. Look at Siri, look at Google Now, look at Cortana, Alexa. So the question for a large financial institution is, well, how do we make our own channel predictive and contextualized? How do we engage our customers on a more relevant, timely, and personalized way? That's what Flybits allows you to do. And today, we are going to show you an example on how effectively you can leverage your data assets and engage with your customers at a very different level. What you see on the screen is an example of something we call the Experience Studio. Each card that you see is a customer experience. For example, providing a relevant credit card to a first-year university student during the first week of school, or reminding someone of an investment product based on their account balance and the ETFs that they carry, or even reminding someone that their mortgage is up for renewal when they are passing by a branch. So instead of going and procuring different solutions to build all of these, we have created an experience design tool that allows you to build this on an end-to-end basis. And that's what we are going to show you today. First, we are going to go to our microservice-based data orchestration platform. We give you access to an off-the-shelf set of microservices that you can plug in using a Lego-like structure and building an experience with. For example, making sure that you communicate with a customer when they have enough battery power on their phone. Or maybe even change the experience on their device when they are bringing their phone or their web application into a branch. Those are some examples of public data sets that, irrespective of their data contracts, you can bring in and generate an experience with. Now, we are going to show you that you can actually turn your own proprietary data coming from mainframes, from legacy systems, turn it into a Flybits context plugin, and turn that into an experience. For example, we want to remind someone of an investment product if their account matches a particular criteria. For example, this data can come from a CRM or from a call center saying the person has indicated interest in an ETF. We also want to make sure that the person has enough balance in their checking account before we can actually curate an experience for them. So although these two data sets are coming from two different repositories, very quickly you will be able to bring them together through your marketing departments or creative units to build that experience. Now, we are going to create that rule now. And we are going to take a Finovate demo just to yet another level. We actually want you to participate in our demo. If you go to finovate18.com on your phone or on your tablets or on your laptops, you will be able to interact with our demo in real time. And for those of you who are watching on video, there are about 1,300 people sitting in this room. We are going to give back this URL back to Finovate for 2 seconds extra for a demo. So now, if you have that application, you see that you have the ability to choose from different profiles. We wanted to respect your privacy, so we actually wanted you to tell us a little bit more about yourself rather than we use our machine learning to infer that. Now, when we do that, we are actually going to build an experience together. So Justin, why don't you go to the Experience Studio? And we are going to create an experience based on the context that we created, and we are going to call it an Etf Nudge, reminding someone of an investment package. We select the context that we created, and then we allow you to select from a template of available applications and applets to activate it on the channel. These can range from SMS, audio messages, chatbots, reminders, push notifications. So you can basically say, if the context is right, I actually want to activate that particular intervention on the device. Why don't we select some of them now and activate it? Now, if you go to your mobile phones, select one of those random profiles, whichever you like, whether you're interested in ETFs, mortgages, or retirement planning, and click on one of those. Now, all of you should be able to see that you're not going to see much information showing up where the scroller is happening. Justin, why don't we go and activate the Etf Nudge for people who indicated interest in ETFs? Within seconds, you should be able to see that a very well curated set of content is being generated for you based on your context and the persona that we created. But people who indicated interest in mortgages and retirement are still not seeing anything, although all of you are using the same application. Why don't we go and activate the rest of the experiences as well, Justin? So now in this room, 1,300 people, you're using one channel, but based on your context in real time. Doesn't matter if you're on a public Wi-Fi channel or on 3G, we are curating a very different experiences on your handset in real time. And we actually want you to come and meet us at our booth and even schedule a demo with us. So Justin, why don't we now target everybody in the room and tell them where our booth is so they can come and meet with us. So if you have the application open, now you will see our thank you note, you will be able to see where we are, and you can actually schedule a demo with us. But we don't stop there. As we are engaging the customers, you can use our machine learning capabilities. The term machine learning is being used very loosely these days, but we bring all of these data using the right ontology. We send it to our analytics dashboard, and then we will be able to tell you not just the reporting aspect of that data in terms of how many people clicked on it, how much they interacted with that, but we will be able to bring that data back to our context engine and continue to make that channel more and more relevant and adaptive. So if you're looking for a company that can truly walk the talk of AI, that can really empower the marketing unit or the creative unit of your organization without creating a lot of dependency on IT to create the next generation of customer experience, we would love to talk to you. We allow you to bring any data source that you want from any sources, turn them into our microservices, and benefit from Flybits. Thank you very much.